is actually have it begin cleaning. I'm just going to have it clean the bathroom and see how it does. I have a floor mat by the shower, and we'll see how that handles.
Starting the cleanup.
And here is the dustbin that I just removed. You can see all the litter it picked up, the hair. I'm actually surprised that there's that much amount of hair when I just vacuumed the other day. So this would be one of the benefits if you have pets. This is going to be able to clean and vacuum your floors automatically for you. Maybe not so much as thorough of a job that you can with a vacuum and some other extensions. Some issues running into just in this short test: food bowl, water bowl, it would run into them, push them around, so water may get splashed out from it. It didn't get in corners and crevices. There's some litter in here. So that's to be expected because it's not able to get into those areas. You're just gonna have to maybe in like small corners like here and like in these type of crevices where it can't reach, you're going to go back and just use another type of vacuum to section and vacuum up those small particles. This is the bath mat I was talking about in front of our shower. It is very thick and flimsy. It just ran right into it and pushed it. So you may have to actually move any sort of mats like this before you begin vacuuming. I'm not sure if this vacuum supports the magnetic blocking strips that you could put underneath such items, so that way it knows not to go into that area. And also, as you saw, it clogged up with a paper towel, which is definitely not a normal object to be on the ground. But if you have something that could be suctioned up like paper or something like that, that could definitely cause issues. So you unfortunately are going to have to go around your house, kind of pick up these type of items from the floor before it starts vacuuming those rooms, because it will pretty much get stuck more than likely.